Blender is already free, but these add-ons make it feel illegal to not be paying for them. Ice, water droplets, clouds, sci-fi hulls, AI animation, all free. I've tested a ton of these, and today I'm giving you my top picks, including a few hidden gems most channels never mention. Stick around to the end, because number 1 saves me literally hours on every project. Let's get into it. First up, the freezing effect generator. This one turns any mesh into a frozen masterpiece in seconds, and it's fully procedural and non-destructive, so nothing gets baked until you say so. The free light version gives you the frost crust, realistic ice buildup with adjustable density and thickness. Just drop it on your object and dial it in. If you want to go further, the paid version adds ice shards, frost tendrils, those creeping ice vines, and my favorite animated frost spread, where you actually watch the ice grow across your mesh over time. Perfect for reveal shots and VFX. If you do any winter scenes, product renders, or stylized animation, start with the free version and see how far it gets you. Next up solves one of the most painful parts of character modeling, hands and feet. It's called LimbKit, and it's a geometry nodes-powered tool that makes building hands and feet fast, flexible, and fully procedural. Instead of sculpting or retopologizing fingers by hand, you just place up to 5 fingers or toes directly on a palm mesh, and LimbKit automatically merges everything into one clean, continuous mesh. No manual bridging, no sculpting. And because it's built on geometry nodes, it's totally non-destructive. You can adjust finger length, spacing, rotation, and even the bend of each individual knuckle live in the viewport. It works for hands, feet, claws, paws, stylized or realistic. It even comes with a collection of pre-made hands and feet you can drop straight into your project. And here's the kicker, it's pay what you want, so you can grab it completely free. Needs Blender 4.5 or newer. This one is ridiculous. The Sci-Fi panel generator turns any mesh into a production-ready sci-fi hull in under 10 seconds. Drop one modifier on a plane, a cube, or an entire spaceship, and it builds layered paneling with chamfered corners, recessed frames, worn metal edges, and glowing light seams. And here's the key part. This is real geometry. The free version gives you the grid panel engine with depth, gap, and taper controls. Genuinely great for learning it and doing simple panels. The full version unlocks 2 more engines, greeble scattering from your own collections, pipes, cables, and pro PBR materials. But honestly, the free tier alone will save you days of hard surface modeling. It's a free demo file for turning your 3D scenes into cartoons. And honestly, this might be the easiest 3D to cartoon workflow I've seen. Instead of wrestling with complicated shader node setups, you just drop your model in and instantly get that clean, stylized, hand-drawn cartoon look, flat-tuned shading with crisp outlines. It's perfect if you're into that stylized anime or comic book aesthetic that's blowing up right now. The best part is, it's a demo file you can just open, pick apart, and learn from. So even if you're new to shading, you can reverse engineer how the whole thing works. Grab it from the link in the description and go play with it. This Procedural Clouds shader drops realistic cloud layers into your scene, and it works in both Cycles and Eevee. What makes it great is that it's fully procedural, so there are no external textures to manage. It's lightweight, fast, and easy to tweak. The creator even tested it in a production-style setup, rendering the clouds in Eevee at about 3 minutes a frame while doing the terrain in Cycles. That hybrid trick keeps things fast without killing quality. And here's a pro tip a lot of people love. Jump into edit mode, extrude the cube's faces so it spans your whole world, and you get this gorgeous, all-encompassing sky. The artist built this alongside other projects and is sharing it for free. Works in Blender 4.4 and up. Next, the Water Droplets generator. This is a full procedural droplet system built entirely in geometry nodes. No simulation, no baking, no waiting. Drop it onto anything, a can, a bottle, glass, a car body, and you instantly get realistic condensation. The droplets use Poisson disk scattering, so they never overlap or clip. And there's a contact angle control that takes you from a flat film all the way to tall beads, just like real surface tension. The standout feature the free tools usually miss? Running trails, meandering rivulets that actually wander down the surface like real water. And it's animated, droplets grow in. Then the trails run down in real time, 0 keyframes. There's a free light version to get you started, perfect for cold drink commercials and product beauty shots. The Cloud Generator. Turn any mesh into a realistic animated cloud in one click. Seriously, one click. The free version, the V2 Legacy build, gives models, materials, HDRIs, brushes, and a huge chunk of it is completely free. Instead of leaving Blender to hunt for assets, you just search and drag them straight into your scene. It's one of those add-ons that quietly becomes part of your everyday workflow. Install it once and you'll wonder how you worked without it.